Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Excel versus Tableau. We'll explore their primary functions and how they differ in handling data. Excel is a widely used spreadsheet program, excellent for organizing and analyzing numerical information. Tableau, on the other hand, is a specialized business intelligence tool, renowned for its powerful data visualization capabilities. Understanding their core purposes is key to deciding which tool best suits your needs. Excel offers several key advantages, especially for those familiar with its interface. It's a go-to for detailed data entry and performing complex calculations using its extensive formula capabilities. Many professionals already possess strong Excel skills, making it a highly accessible and cost-effective solution for managing and analyzing smaller to medium-sized datasets and generating quick reports. It's a versatile tool for everyday data tasks. Tableau truly shines in its ability to create stunning, interactive data visualizations and dashboards. It's designed to handle very large datasets, often millions of rows, without performance degradation, making it ideal for big data analysis. Tableau also integrates seamlessly with numerous data sources, providing a comprehensive platform for advanced analytics and real-time insights. Its user-friendly drag-and-drop interface simplifies complex data exploration. Deciding between Excel and Tableau depends on your specific needs. For smaller datasets, detailed calculations, and quick, one-off reports, Excel is often the better choice. However, if you're working with large volumes of data, require advanced, interactive visualizations, or need robust business intelligence dashboards, Tableau is the superior tool. Many professionals find that using both tools together provides the most comprehensive data analysis solution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.